In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets and Airtable 2026. To begin, open your Google Sheets file in your browser. This should be the spreadsheet you want to bring into Airtable. Before you switch apps, take a moment to confirm the sheet is the correct one and that the first row contains clear column headers, because Airtable will typically use those headers to create field names during import. It is also a good idea to remove empty columns or messy header rows now, since a cleaner sheet imports more smoothly. Next, go to Airtable. Once you are in your Airtable workspace, look for the Import option and click it. Import is the starting point for bringing data in from other tools, and it is where Airtable will guide you through connecting to your source. In the list of import sources, choose Google Sheets. This tells Airtable that your data will come directly from a spreadsheet in Google Drive rather than from a CSV file or another app. After selecting Google Sheets, click Select Google Sheets account. Airtable needs permission to access the spreadsheet you want, and this is where you choose which Google account to use for that connection. If the account you need is already listed, you can pick it here. If it is not listed, continue by clicking Connect New Google Account. At this point, a Google sign-in and permission screen will open. Select the appropriate Google account from the list. For privacy and security, make sure you choose the account that actually owns the spreadsheet or has access to it. Then click Continue to approve the connection. You may also see a consent screen where you confirm what Airtable is allowed to access. Review the permissions and proceed so Airtable can read your Google Sheets files for import. This authorization is required for the integration to work. Once you return to Airtable, you will see the Google Sheets account option available. Click the connected Google Sheets account to select it, and then click it again to confirm your choice so Airtable uses that account for the integration. That covers everything you need to know.